this is Joan of Art and welcome to Art Central. This is our latest art gallery here in Bacolod. When in Bacolod, come to visit us here at Art Central. We have a lot to offer here. But for this video, we are learning some Ilonggo words. This is Joan of Art here, and this is my friend Jeffrey. Jeffrey, say hi. That's Jeffrey over there, and we are putting some safety measures here. Oh, buhay lang. So Jeffrey, what would be our word for today?
Lubid.
Lubid. So lubid is the rope here that we are attaching. So we would like this Art Central to be safe and look nice as well. Now, what to discuss? Okay, Jeffrey, if you are a foreigner and you have an Ilonggo girlfriend, where are you? If you are a foreigner and you have an Ilonggo girlfriend, what would you like to learn so that you can tell her
What?
you can tell her you love her? What is the what do you call your sweetheart in Ilonggo? Ga? Not ga? What do you call your sweetheart? Some Ilonggo sweethearts call themselves ga. So what is this ga?
Langga.
Langga. So it's a short for
Beloved.
langga,
Beloved.
palangga, which means beloved. So it's a nice Ilonggo word to call your sweetheart in Ilonggo, in the traditional Ilonggo way. So you say ga, ga with a stop. Say ga. Short for langga or palangga, meaning beloved. So that's the word for today. Something to surprise your Ilongga beloved. Call your Ilongga beloved. You can call her ga. Ga with the Ilonggo accent, with the lip. Ga. Langga. Or palangga, pangga, also pangga, short for beloved. This is Joan of Art, and my friend Jeffrey here, who's busy with his rope works. Very nice. Puto, pull, push, pull, puto. Okay, is it okay? Until our next video, bye for now. Mwah. Mwah.